This is Digits, the game where I just have to use any combination of numbers to reach the target. What if I did 7 minus 3, 4 times 20, which is 80, and then 80 plus 8. And it was that easy. On to the next one. 185. 85 is 5 times 17? I get a 5 and a 17, and then somehow get a 100. If I just get like a 185, then I get it, 11 minus 6 is 5. 5 times 17. Okay. 18 minus 7 is... Well, that's just not gonna work. Let me see. 18 minus 8 is 10. It has to be some like random number added to a random number. I'm telling you. 108. No way. Oh my god. Well, anyway, 276. 276 divided by 2, 3, 8. So 138 maybe times 2. I can get a 2 here. And then 138. Let me see. 138. They're playing games. They're playing games here. I'm not gonna try too hard this time, okay? Okay. Ready? Speed run. 25 times 19, 6 times 15, 90 times 3. I'm getting a little too good at this. Okay, 396. Listen, I've been stuck on this for too long. I've gotten way too close too many times. If you think you know it, please let me know. I have to go film more puzzles for you guys.